Hello guys, I'm Uday Kumar. This video is going to see about array implementation of stack editing. First of all, going to create a class function, class stack editing, and def underscore init underscore self comma x. First of all, declaring a stack so that we're giving a size equal to x and l equal to list and top equal to -1. Next, we're giving a def is full. If self dot top equal to self dot size -1, the condition is true, return true or else false. Next def is this def is empty. So if self dot top equal to -1, the condition is true, return true or else false. Next def push. Push means the number added to the latest element in the stack. If self dot is full, if the print stack is full, or else giving a condition like first of all we getting a user input like int of input enter data. Next we're giving a adding a push to the stack so that we're giving a top plus equal to 1. Next self dot l dot append of x. Next we def pop means deleting a latest element in the stack. If the stack is empty, print stack is empty, or else cs equal to self dot l of self dot top. So that we now we going to write latest element in the stack, latest element in the stack. So that we're giving a del function, del of self dot l -1, self dot topic minus equal to 1, and return ch. Next def peak. Peak means latest element in the stack. If the stack is empty, print stack is empty, or else print latest element in the stack. So that we're giving a print dot l self dot top. Next we giving a def display. Display means the after more push and pops, print displaying a remaining stack. So that if the stack is empty, print empty, or else print remaining stack. Now the condition is over. We're going to create a menu-driven program for the given condition above. First of all, we're getting a user input like size of the data, size of the stack, and I'm giving a while function and while loop, and cs equal to int of input of first choice is push, second choice is pop, third choice is peak, and fourth choice is display, and fifth choice is exit. If the giving first choice, it will push the stack. If we give it a second choice, it will pop the stack. If we give a third choice, it will pick the stack. It will give a fourth choice, it will display the stack, and if I give fifth choice, it will exit the stack. Now we see the output. I enter the size of the stack as 3, and I'm giving a first choice as push. Entering data is 25, and next data as 30, and next data as 35. Now we enter the 3 size of the stack 25, 30, and 35. I'm going to display the given size of the stack so that we're giving a choice as 4. Now the stack is displayed as 25, 30, and 35. Now we're going to pop the stack so that we're giving a choice as 2. The size of the latest element of the stack 35 is popped. Now we're going to display the remaining stack. The remaining stack after deleting the latest element of the stack 35, and the remaining element 25 and 30 is displayed. Next I'm going to push the stack so that I give a choice as 1, and entering data as 14. Next I'm going to display the stack. After the pushed and after the enter data 40, now the stack is 25, 30, and 14. Next I'm going to pick the stack so that given choice is 3. The peak is the latest element of the stack, so that the latest element is 40. Now this is showing 14. Next I'm going to exit the stack. That's all guys, thank you.